In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Grammarly Pro step by step so you can unlock the premium writing features, improve your grammar faster, and get access to the extra tools that come with a paid plan. Whether you use Grammarly for school, work, content creation, or everyday writing, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and simply. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, just use your normal login details. If you don't, create one first so you can continue. Make sure you are signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address, because the plan will only activate on the account you pay for. After you sign in, look for your account or plan page. This is usually where Grammarly shows your current subscription status, your plan details, and any upgrade options. Take a moment to check whether you are currently on the free version or if you already have some type of premium access. This helps you confirm what needs to be changed before upgrading. Now, choose Grammarly Pro from the available plans. Grammarly may show you different subscription options depending on your region or account type. Select the plan that matches what you want, whether that is monthly, quarterly, or annual billing. Usually, the longer plan gives better value, but the best choice depends on your needs and budget. Next, review the plan carefully before moving forward. Make sure you understand what is included, how often you will be billed, and whether the subscription renews automatically. This is an important step because it helps you avoid surprises later. Once you're ready, continue to the payment section and complete the payment process using the method you prefer. After the payment is completed, Grammarly Pro should be activated on your account. In many cases, the changes appear right away, but sometimes it may take a little time for the account to update. If you do not see the Pro features immediately, don't worry. The next step is to refresh Grammarly or sign out and sign back in again. This usually forces the account to sync and display the new premium tools. Once you're back in the app or browser extension, check for Pro features like advanced suggestions, rewritten text options, and the premium writing tools included with your plan. If everything is active, then your Grammarly Pro subscription has been successfully enabled. And that's it. You've now activated Grammarly Pro on your account. It's a simple process, but following the steps carefully makes sure everything goes smoothly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software guides, quick tutorials, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.